Hi everyone, we are making ghee today. This is a clarified butter. We will need unsalted butter for this. I use Kerrygold pure Irish butter as I think it makes very fine ghee. You can also use Kirkland unsalted cream butter as well. The process takes about 15 minutes. We will start with melting the butter. I am going to use 2 of the bars of butter that are each 8 ounces. This will make about 1 small jar of ghee. Your saucepan needs to be clean and free of any residue. When you start to cook the butter, you can keep it on medium heat. Place the butter in the pan. Frozen butter will take slightly longer to melt. I'm going to use a whisk to keep mixing this so it does not burn. Make sure this is clean as well. Once the butter is fully melted, I will keep stirring it. The heat is still on medium. The butter will start to froth a little bit on the top. Clarified butter is basically the good fats of milk. The goal here is to get rid of the moisture from the butter. Once the froth disappears, it will start to slowly bubble. This bubble will be small initially. Keep stirring it so that the moisture starts to be released. This will need your full attention when making, as you have to keep watching for the changes. Ghee can be used in many different dishes. Indians use it for many dessert recipes, but you can add it to food as well to give it a buttery flavor. We are at about 7 minutes from when we started. Keep stirring this so that nothing settles on the bottom and it does not burn. You will notice that the bubble gets bigger and you will notice small solids fats start to float on the top. I am going to reduce the heat slightly so that this does not burn fast. The solids will start to settle on the bottom. I'm going to keep stirring this so the solids don't stick and burn everything. If that happens, the process is ruined. There is no going back, and you may have to toss this, so be careful. I have left this to cool down. The solid fats will continue to settle. Let this completely cool down before we start filtering it. To filter this, I have placed a paper towel on top of the strainer so that it catches any solids. You can slowly pour it over so that it filters through. You can now see the clear golden yellow color of the ghee. Nice, isn't it? Here we go, a full jar of ghee is now ready. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.